Right, good afternoon. Let's see where this goes. This is the heat shield off my Saab 16S turbo. It's an 86. As far as I know, it's the only one that's listed on Find My Car or howrareismycar.com or whatever the website is. It's a fully built. It's an ex-pilot's car. Probably the third owner. I've had it for about 30 years now. I've hammerite cure rusted it. It's not in bad condition. Sort of like, there you go. That's the plastic and what looks like probably dodgy asbestos material, which I've masked off. I've used some edge primer over the top, and I'm about to give it a spray of, well, I've only got some coarse wheel rust and some VHT high temperature lacquer, so for the time being, as long as I save it, we'll do it. I'm doing my Mini. I'll show you my Mini. It's under here somewhere. There's my little Mini that I've recently painted. White wall tyres. It's only a Mini 1000. I've had it for many years. Been doing it on the drive. I'm just about to put the grille on. Done the headlights. It's all original. It's about 95%. I've got one. The driver's door is heritage skin. The rest I've repaired. I've got my Sibi Super Oscars, or Oscars, with the Italian job bar that I got from Huddersfield Spares. Grill is a load of crap that I got from Moss Brothers. It's rusted, but for the time being, well, just to get it through its MOT, I'll be doing that. That's the garage, that's where I work from. Look at the state of that. Wow. Whatever. Oh, there you go. There's a Smith's Gents clock bezel from Stockport Station, if I remember rightly. It's I'm restoring as well. So let's get this thing sprayed for this time being. As long as it saves it, I'll show you my Saab in a minute. But an old kind of colour tone. In Stockport, they're great guys. They've helped me so much with all the paintwork and everything. Let's get this protected, I suppose. Leave that for a minute. I'll show you my Saab now. It's a little bit dead. There she is. She's an 86. Leather interior, cruise control, heated seats, heated windows, heated electric sunroof, full electric pack. Like I say, and I'm no expert, but she's a flat nose. Paintwork's gone where the turbo's burned the paintwork, but generally, like I've been talking to Dave at Saab Light down south. He's going to help me hopefully too with some spares. I'm going to do a full brake overhaul. She's she's not rotten in the usual places. As you can see, the wheel arches are quite incredibly sound. Got the S wheels on it. No rust down here. There is rust on the front down here, which is quite common. I've got the repair, the drive shaft tunnel repair panels from Saab bits. I've had them in the shed for a while, so I've got those. I need to do the driver's door. The passenger door's fine. The only thing, and the big thing with this little bugger, is I'll take it around this side, let's use the video. The whole of the front chassis leg is gone. Disappeared out from the suspension turret, the whole battery compartment, to what looks like the gearbox mounting bracket at the front. Generally, she's not been started for about 8 years now, I think. But generally, I mean, she's in extremely good condition for her age. It's nearly 40 years old. There's a crack in the windscreen there. I spoke to David again at Saab Flight. He's going to sort me out with the windscreen, and hopefully a new front end, which I'm hoping to video when I start stripping it down. Sort the Mini out in the next couple of weeks, get that finished. Just got some side repeaters from Mini Mine, with you, fantastic company, always next day delivery, brilliant, love them to death. Get the Mini. It's not a twin tank, that's false. That was 12 quid off eBay plus a cap, but she's certainly not a Cooper S. It's a Mini 1000. I've got a Fletcher twin exhaust, stainless steel all the way through on the Mini. Arches, Group 2 arches that I got from Huddersfield Spares, and the wheels. White wall the tyres. Just need to finish off the interior, which is still a bit of a shed, but that won't take long. Obviously, as you probably know, Mini's interiors is nothing to them. So yeah, all these bits I've had in the shed for God knows how long. So I'll carry on, coat the other side of that heat shield for the Saab, and then, all being well, make another video as soon as possible. Thanks guys, enjoy.